Today we talk about how can you find incoming calls on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to find it on your app. So you just go here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on incoming calls, just click on it here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find here all incoming calls. It's going to show for you here in this list. It's going to show for you like this. So that's all you have to do to find your incoming calls. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.